Hi, I'm getting ready to sell the Simplicity Legacy, and there have been two issues that I have to fix. One of them is there is a pin that goes in here and it stops this from rotating when you turn on the hydraulic pump. And the pin here, it was a bit loose because the weld had gone here, so I re-welded it, and now I got some paint on it, ready to assemble. And I also have had some problems with the starter, because sometimes it just clicked from the starter, and I found that in here these copper tabs here and here, they are connected via this ring. So when you turn the key, you get power here, and this goes down through an electromagnet, and then it connects this here and this here, so the starter motor gets current and turns. Maybe you can see there's some pitting here and also here, so it looked a lot bad before, a lot worse before. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to fix this to make sure it works fine for the next owner. Yeah, I think that will be good. Oh, maybe focus is wrong, but it will be good. Okay, so this is how it works. When you put power here, this one goes down, and that connects these two tabs to each other, and you get power to the electric motor here. See, it goes from there to this one here, and then in here. And at the same time, this one's called solenoid. You see, it pushes the pinion down, so the pinion attaches to the flywheel, and then it turns the engine. So, and now I've cleaned everything. I think it will work fine.